Somalia's parliament met in Djibouti to elect their new president because of the scale of instability on home soil. Moderate Islamist Shiikh Shariif Ahmed won the runoff ballot at the end of an all-night sitting.
I'm very pleased with the result of this election, and this is a great victory for the Somali people.
On the streets of the Somali capital, Mogadishu, thousands turned out to celebrate Ahmed's election. Many analysts say his Islamist roots, parliamentary backing and acceptability to the West make him the best hope yet for reuniting the nation and halting 18 years of civil conflict.
We support him because he is a peaceful man. We expect him to put our religion into practice. We love him, and that's why we support him.
Our people have had civil war and anarchy for 18 years. Our mothers, our children have been praying for Ahmed to win.
Ahmed's task will be a tough one. In the past 2 years alone, more than 17,400 civilians have been killed in an Islamist-led insurgency against the government and its Ethiopian allies. Ethiopia has now withdrawn its forces and a UN-brokered peace process is in place. But hardline insurgents have vowed to fight on. The Al-Shabaab group, which leads them, said before the presidential vote that it would launch a new campaign of hit-and-run attacks, regardless of who won. Paul Chapman, Reuters.